Principia Club of Southern Michigan is hosting Dr. Tom Fuller from Principia today at the E.L. Johnson Nature Center on Franklin Road, and Mr. Fuller is talking about how all nature teaches God's love to man. So we can go in and see what's going on. Nice pond down below. See, here we have this nature center. Other folks come in today and check it out. We have this. There's trails all over. The harmony of the universe is all around us. Mrs. Eddy uses the word, as Tom Fuller's mentioned, she uses the word nature and natural many times in her writings.
This is where his beak is touching water. This is the wake. His beak is making water. He's swimming away from us, and his beak is leaving a little wake. His beak is very, very thin.
Principia outing. Tom Fuller talking about nature.
And a few minutes later, I thought I was going to run into a fox. This fox was coming. Woo, look at his foot down the hill. And it got to the road where I was just crossing.
Prin Clovers enjoying lunch in the comfort of totally warm and wonderful and green and relaxing nature. Principia Club taking a break from Tom Fuller's nature talk. And here we are under the trees. Are you feeding them? Well, you should. It's lunchtime. They deserve to be fed. Here come the geese. Now you got a full house.
Why can't I eat this? Oh, the fish got it. I'm doing it. Hey, the turtle wants to eat. Turtle, over here. Hey, turtle, I got some more.
Amy is down calling the troops to return to lunch, to the lecture. They have supped, dined on delicious sandwiches, enjoyed the wonderful nature, nice warm ambiance. Now we return to the classroom.
Now that's a word that you see a lot less than supernatural. And the meaning of the dictionary is apparently not terribly well disambiguated from supernatural. But preternatural is right at the limit of natural. It's things that are at the very extremes of nature. It doesn't happen all the time, but you know, like a superhuman effort by an Olympic athlete could be called preternatural. You know, very few people could do it. But you know, right out there at the limit of nature is preternatural. But again, what does she say? Christian healing.
Here we are. We've had our talk, and now we're just going around and touching noses and picking up whatever food we can for the ride home. All the good Prin people. Door. Tom Fuller in the center.